Hey, thanks. I'll let him know if he...
I appreciate it.
Hey Jack, the all-new 2022 Civics are here. Jack.
I have the perfect idea. Get the ramp ready.
Here we have the all-new 2022 Honda Civic. It's parked next to a 21 Civic. They completely redesigned the vehicle. It's got a whole new headlight assembly, new bumper, new fog lights, new grille. It's got new wheels on the vehicle. Everything about it has changed from the previous generation.
On over there? Should someone be stopping him?
No, that's just Jack. He does this all the time. Anyway, we have the wireless phone charger, which is a new feature in the vehicle. They redesigned the air vent so it now looks like a honeycomb feature and it flows really well with the rest of it. We have an all-new display inside of the Civic, as well as an all-new radio screen.